Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Is English difficult?
No, it's possible.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand a little.
Do you practice English?
Yes, every day.
Do you listen to English?
Yes, every day.
Do you need perfect English?
No, I don't.
Are you afraid to speak?
Sometimes.
Do you speak anyway?
Yes, I try.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, sometimes.
Is it okay to make mistakes?
Yes, it's okay.
Do people understand you?
Yes, they do.
Do you speak fast?
No, slowly.
Are you improving?
Yes, slowly.
Do you feel more confident?
Yes, a little.
Will you continue?
Yes, every day.